everyone, welcome back. In this lecture we will learn how Vuejs handles DOM event. And you are taking this course, then you already know about DOM events, right? So let's get started with how Vuejs handles that. As in JS Fiddle, I have this simple skeleton to demonstrate our Vue.js event handling. For this, let's first take simple example. Here I have simple button, increase, and in here I have counter set to 0. Now let's run it, and we have button. Now the next thing, let's output this counter. Okay, so we have our counter. Now what I want to do, I want to increase this counter when I press this button. Now we will listen to this DOM event using vOn directive. And then our event. So colon and click. Now next thing is what you want to do on click. So we just want to increase counter, so we will write counter plus plus. Now let's run it and increase. So it is changing the counter from 0 to 5. Now let's create button which decreases counter. Okay, so it is working, increment and decrement. So this was the simplest example. Just like we use shorthand for vbind, we can also use shorthand in vOn, and that is @. So this is perfectly valid. So let's test it. Increasing. Okay, so working perfect. So this is the shorthand of our vOn. Now let's say instead of this simple counter plus plus and counter minus minus, we have some complex code. Then we can also execute method on DOM event. How? We will create methods here. Let's name it demo. So here we are gonna make changes, and because we are using method here, I will pass method name. And now because this is method, we will pass this. No, we don't need to pass this parenthesis, just method name. Now let's run this. Let me first increase, and I am from method. And we made mistake here, it should be counter, sorry. Let's increase, I am from method and counter 1. Let's increase again, I am from method and 2. Let's decrease. So this is how you can also execute methods on DOM event. This is just one simple click event. You can also use focus, mouse over, mouse out, and all that events. And this is how event handling made easy with Vue.js. Now one thing I want to show you is, if you are really interested in Vue.js and want some nice good resources, then I regularly tweet on my Twitter account, as you can see here. So don't forget to follow me. And yeah, this is my YouTube channel growth, not that much higher, but good for starting. And don't forget to subscribe. See you in next.